Need a simple way to brainstorm ideas with your team in real time? Google Jamboard makes it easy. Here is how to use it. Go to jamboard.google.com and click the plus button to create a new jam. Think of it like a digital whiteboard. You can write, draw, add sticky notes, or drop in images to map out your thoughts visually. On the left side, you got all your tools: the pen for sketching, sticky notes for quick ideas, and the select tool to move things around. You can even add multiple frames to keep different parts of your brainstorm organized. Want to collaborate? Click the share button and invite others, just like with Google Docs. Everyone can add their input live, whether they're in the room or across the world. If it's perfect for team planning, class projects, content ideas, anything you need to sketch out fast and together. And that's it. Real-time brainstorming made simple with Google Jamboard. If this helped, well, follow for more easy to use tools that boost your creativity.